Imagine whipping up crispy fries, juicy chicken, or perfectly roasted veggies in minutes, without the guilt of deep frying or the hassle of a complicated kitchen gadget. This tasty personal air fryer, a 2-quart 900-watt marvel, is here to transform your cooking game. Designed for small spaces and health-conscious foodies, this aqua-hued appliance delivers big flavor with up to 75% less fat. Whether you're a busy professional, a college student, or a small family chef, this air fryer is your kitchen sidekick. Let's dive into why this compact powerhouse deserves a spot on your countertop. Why choose the tasty personal air fryer? Air fryers have taken kitchens by storm, but the tasty personal air fryer stands out for its simplicity, safety, and performance. Its adjustable temperature control, 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and 30-minute timer make it a breeze to cook everything from crispy wings to reheated leftovers. Plus, its PFAS-free nonstick coating ensures healthier meals without harmful chemicals. Here's a closer look at what makes this air fryer a must-have. Healthier cooking. Made simple. With rapid air circulation technology, this air fryer uses up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Enjoy guilt-free versions of your favorite fried foods. Think golden fries or tender chicken nuggets without sacrificing flavor. It's perfect for anyone looking to cut calories without cutting taste. Compact yet mighty. Don't let the 2-quart capacity fool you. Powered by 900 watts, this air fryer delivers robust performance in a lightweight, portable design. It's ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or college dorms, where counter space is precious. At just 8.5 inches wide, it tucks away easily when not in use. Effortless operation. The intuitive knob controls for temperature and time make cooking a no-brainer. Whether you're air frying, cooking, or reheating, you can set it and forget it. No complicated digital interfaces here, just straightforward functionality for all skill levels. Safe and non-toxic. Unlike many air fryers with PFAS-laden coatings, the tasty personal air fryer uses a premium non-stick basket and tray free of PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE. This means safer meals and peace of mind, especially for health-conscious families. Dishwasher-safe cleanup. Hate scrubbing pans? The non-stick basket and crisping tray are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe down the exterior and you're done. It's a game-changer for busy folks who want quick meals without the mess. Real-world performance. What can it do? The tasty personal air fryer shines in real-life scenarios. Its rapid air circulation ensures even cooking, so your food comes out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Customer reviews rave about its versatility. Baked potatoes come out fluffy, roasted veggies get that perfect char, and chicken stays moist and flavorful. One user noted, "It's small but powerful, my go-to for quick dinners in my tiny apartment." Another praised its energy efficiency, saying, "At 900 watts, it's perfect for my solar-powered RV camping trips." The 2-quart capacity is ideal for 1 to 2 people, making it a great fit for solo cooks or couples. You can fit a small batch of fries, a few chicken tenders, or even a square Corning glass dish for saucier dishes, keeping the basket clean. Addressing common concerns. No product is perfect, and the tasty personal air fryer has a minor quirk. Its 2-quart capacity may feel limiting for those cooking for more than 2. As one reviewer noted, "It's a bit small. Think sandwich-sized portions." However, for its target audience, singles, couples, or dorm dwellers, this size is spot on. If you need more capacity, consider a larger model, but for quick, personal meals, this air fryer nails it. Another consideration is the analog controls. While some prefer digital displays, the knob-based system is user-friendly and durable, reducing the risk of tech glitches. Plus, the lack of preset programs encourages experimentation, letting you fine-tune recipes to your taste. Why it's a smart investment. Priced competitively, check Amazon for the latest deals, the tasty personal air fryer offers premium features without breaking the bank. Its energy-efficient 900-watt motor saves power compared to larger models, making it eco-friendly and budget-conscious. The dishwasher-safe components and non-toxic non-stick coating add long-term value by simplifying maintenance and ensuring safer cooking. Compared to competitors like the Instant Vortex Mini, 2-quart, 1,300 watts, the Tasty model uses less power while delivering similar performance. Its PFAS-free coating also gives it an edge over budget models with questionable materials. For those prioritizing health, ease, and portability, this air fryer is a winner. Final verdict: your kitchen deserves this air fryer. The Tasty personal air fryer is a game changer for anyone craving quick, healthy, and delicious meals. Its compact design, no cheesy shints.